Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the SSD type 2, 5 SATA or M, 2 NVMe because the enclosure must match. Once done, put on an anti-static wrist strap and ground yourself to protect the drive. Make sure to have a suitable screwdriver, a thermal pad for NVMe, and the correct USB-C cable. Then, remove the enclosure screws and open the shell. You should see a drive tray or M2 slot. These steps prevent damage and set up a clean, safe workspace for installation. You now install the drive. For a 2.5 SATA SSD, align the SATA connector, slide the drive into the tray, and secure it with the provided bracket or screws so it won't shift. For an M2 NVMe, insert the module at about a 30 degrees angle until the connector is fully seated, then press it down and fasten the retaining screw. Once seated, apply a thermal pad to the NVMe controller to manage heat. This maintains performance and longevity, while you finish by closing the enclosure and tightening screws, then connect it to your computer with the supplied cable. Once connected, make sure the OS recognizes the drive, initialize and format it if it's new. If the drive doesn't appear, reseat the SSD and check the connector orientation, then try a different cable or USB port. Also make sure to update the enclosure firmware if available. These troubleshooting steps quickly isolate connection, power, or compatibility issues so you can resolve them fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.